Today I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents in Gamma app, step by step, so you can organize your presentation or document in a clean, easy to navigate way. This is a super useful feature if you're building a longer Gamma project and want your audience to jump straight to the section they need. It also makes your work look more polished and professional right away. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Gamma presentation or document where you want to add the table of contents. This can be a brand new project or an existing one that you've already started. Now, you'll want to add a new card near the beginning of the project. Keeping it near the top is the best way to make it easy to find and use, especially if your Gamma project has multiple sections. After you add that new card, click into it and type Table of Contents as the heading. You can make it bold or keep it simple, depending on the style of your project. Next, start listing the main sections or card titles from your Gamma project. These should be the key parts of your presentation, like the chapter names or section headings that your viewers will want to jump to. Keep the list clear and short so it's easy to scan. A table of contents works best when it's simple and well organized. If Gamma allows it in your layout, you can also link each item to the related section or card. This is the part that turns your list into a truly interactive table of contents. Instead of just reading the section names, your audience can click the item and move directly to that part of the project. That makes navigation much smoother, especially for longer documents or presentations. Take a moment to double check the order of your sections. Make sure the list matches the flow of your Gamma project so everything is accurate and easy to follow. If you need to, you can update the names to match the exact card titles for consistency. Little details like that make your project look much more polished, and that's really all there is to it. You've now created a simple table of contents in Gamma app that helps organize your project and makes it easier for people to navigate. It's a small addition, but it can make a big difference in how your presentation or document feels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Gamma tutorials and quick software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.